Example 1, factor completely, 5x to the 4th minus 405. Do you remember what I said about the greatest common factor? You need to be conditioned that whenever you hear the word factor, immediately you have greatest common factor on your mind, an immediate response. Is there a greatest common factor? As far as the number is concerned, 5. This ends in 0, 5. So yes, 5 is the greatest common factor. There's no x in here. So, factor out 5. Rewrite this as x squared minus 81 as a difference of two squares, x squared 20 squared minus 9 squared. So a squared minus b squared is a plus b times a minus b. And a minus b is again the difference of two squares. So you get 5 times x squared plus 9, which should be written here, which I guess got erased somehow. So the result is 5 times x squared plus 9 times x plus 3 times x minus 3. How about factoring this one? We have 5x, so we have a binomial again. Greatest common factor, 5, 5, x, x. 5x is the greatest common factor. Then we get a difference of two squares, a squared minus b squared, which is a plus b, and the same a minus b. And just for kicks, the 5 plus 4 is a 9. You don't need parentheses here. You don't need these parentheses. And 5 minus 4 is 1. So you could rewrite this as 5x times x plus 9 times x plus 1. Always look for the greatest common factor. Always. Example 3. You need a square plot of land. You reserve a square area of the plot in the southeast corner for construction of a residence. The remaining area used for farmland, the plot minus the resident, is 4,000 square feet, here and here. The distance from the northeast corner, northeast corner of the plot to the northeast corner of the residence is 40 feet. And what are the dimensions of the plot? What are x by x? Remember, this is a square plot of land. Let x be the side of the square plot and y the side of the square residence. Okay? X here, y and y. Then x squared is the area of the plot, and y squared is the area of the residence. Thus x squared minus y squared is 4,000. And x minus y is equal to 40. Where did that come from? This is x, this is y, and x minus y is 40. So, we have x squared minus y squared, which factors as x minus y times x plus y, which is 4,000. X minus y was 40. Divide both sides by 40. You're left with 100. So x minus y is 40. And x plus y was 100. Add these two equations. The y's drop out. You come out with 140 for 2x. So x is 70. The plot of land is a 70 by 70 feet. And then we want to factor completely x to the 6th minus 1.